Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on NYT Games. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the NYT Games on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be asked to use your credentials. So go ahead and enter your email address and your password or use your social accounts in order to log in. And now, once you are taken into the home page, if you wish to delete your account, tap on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on Manage Your Account. This will now take you into your account management page, within which you might be asked to log into your account first. After logging in, you will be taken into your account information page. Within this page, if you scroll all the way down, you will see the Delete Your Account option. Go ahead and tap on this, and now you will be told that there will not be an option to recover your account later. There's also an option to let them know why you are deleting your account. You can fill this up if you wish, but this is optional. Go ahead and click on the I confirm that I want to delete my account button and then click on Delete Account, after which you might be asked to enter your password to verify your identity. Once you verify your identity and proceed forward with the deletion request, your account will be deleted and you will be logged out from your account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on NYT Games. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.